Hi, in this lecture, we will understand strengthening the argument type problems in critical reasoning. Whenever we are given an argument in the question and we are asked to find out strengthening the argument option, we look for two or three criteria. The first one is that it complements and adds to the current tone of the passage. So when we're discussing a problem, if the option is relevant to the problem and is going in the same tone, it can be a possible answer for us. Second, it does not require any assumption. And the final one being that it strengthens the conclusion that is being drawn out of the premise. Let's look at one example and see how easy it is to solve strengthen the argument questions. Many breakfast cereals are fortified with vitamin supplements. Some of these cereals provide 100% of the recommended daily requirements of vitamins. So, what we are saying is our body requires vitamins. There are some cereals, some breakfast cereals, which provide these vitamins by the addition of vitamin supplements into them. Nevertheless, a well balanced diet, including a variety of foods, is a better source for those vitamins that are such fortified breakfast cereals alone. So the statement says that breakfast cereals provide you with the vitamins, but it's important and it's better to have a well balanced breakfast that includes a variety of sources. What do you think would support this? The main argument that is being made here is that vitamins, why are these a better source of vitamins? Let's see the options. In many foods, the natural combination of vitamins with other nutrients makes those vitamins more usable by the body that are vitamins added in the vitamin supplements. So, what this statement says is that the vitamins which are added in your body become more usable when you add some natural vitamins along with it, which clearly supports our argument. Let's go to option number B. People who regularly eat cereals fortified with vitamin supplements sometimes neglect to eat the foods in which the vitamins occur naturally. This kind of becomes the statement which we're talking about in general as well. This is not strengthening the argument, this is not weakening the argument, it's a neutral statement and hence we can easily cross it out. Foods often must be fortified with vitamin supplements because naturally occurring vitamins are removed during processing. This kind of contradicts to our statement and fights off with the assumption. So this is going against the tone of the passage. When the tone is saying that breakfast cereals are fortified with these supplements, which provide the recommended daily requirement, option number C is contradicting that fact. This is not in support of our conclusion. Hence, this is not a valid option. Unprocessed cereals are naturally high in several of the vitamins that are usually added to fortified breakfast cereals. This goes out of context and this can be eliminated easily. Cereals containing vitamin supplements are no harder to digest. Whenever we see something out of context, we can easily cross it out without even reading it further. Hence, this is a very easy question and very easily identifiable option number A. Do practice.